Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we will discuss displacement thickness, which is denoted by delta star. Delta star, which is equal to distance from the solid surface, would have to be displaced to maintain the same mass flow rate for a non-viscous flow. When to compensate the mass flow rate, or when there is a reduction in the mass flow rate, to compensate this mass flow rate, we are considering the displacement thickness delta star. This delta star can be calculated as delta star is equal to integration of 0 to delta. We know that delta is a boundary layer thickness into bracket 1 minus u upon u infinity with respect to dy. That means u is the local velocity and u infinity is the free stream velocity of the flow. This is the formula to calculate the displacement thickness. Let us take an example on displacement thickness. Example, it is given that u upon u infinity is equal to 2 times y by delta minus y by delta raised to 2. Determine an expression for delta star which is a function of delta. Note that for this assumed form for the velocity profile at y equal to 0, u equal to 0, correct for no slip condition. At y equal to delta, u equal to u infinity, correct for edge of the boundary layer. We know the formula to calculate the bound displacement thickness as we seen in the previous slide. Let eta is equal to y by delta. Let this y by delta, we can call it as a eta. At y equal to 0, u equal to 0, that means this eta is also equal to 0. When I put y equal to 0, this eta will automatically becomes equal to 0. This is the first boundary condition. Second one is what? At y equal to delta, u is equal to u infinity. Now I will put the second boundary condition, eta equal to y by delta. I put delta here at y. So delta upon delta is nothing but 1, therefore eta is equal to 1. Therefore dy is equal to delta into d eta. Therefore u upon u infinity, this equation becomes 2 into eta minus y by delta is what? Eta. It means eta square. 2 eta minus eta square is the given equation. We are modifying this given equation in terms of eta. Substituting the value in the equation of delta star as we seen in the previous slide, in this slide, this is the equation of delta star. Put value of u upon u infinity which is given. So 1 minus, I will put this equation here, 1 minus 2 eta plus this minus minus becomes plus eta square into d delta into d eta, as dy is equal to delta into d eta, which is equal to, I will take delta as a common and I will integrate this with respect to eta. So the equation becomes this delta into eta minus 2 eta square divided by 2 plus eta cube divided by 3. Integration from limit 0 to 1. Now I will put the limits and I will get delta star is equal to 1 by 3 delta. This is closely approximate for the flow for a flat plate. So this is the numerical on the displacement thickness. Thank you.